Hi, this is Adriana, and this is video number 62 for SalesVision video challenge, 100 days. So you have to create one video a day for 100 days. And this is for SalesVision. So if you need to market your product or market your business, whether you are in internet marketing or you have a business for your own, or if you don't have a business, you can create one. It's a very good time to create businesses of your own. So you can go to the link below. There's you will get access to a free digital marketing agency. How about that? So you will be able to generate free leads online. You don't have to struggle anymore, okay? So just remember, go to the link below, click on it, and it will take you to the page. Thank you for watching. Bye.